Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can find saved videos on YouTube. Now, real quick, I'm going to show you how you can actually save a video. So for example, here, if I search up copyright-free music and I click on this, for example, and I'm going to click on these three dots and I'm going to click on save. Now on save, you'll see that there's going to be two things that pops up here, which is watch later and also saved videos. Now watch later is a playlist that every YouTube account will get. This is made by default when you actually make your Google account. So everyone will get this one playlist, right? And there's also saved videos. Now this is an actual playlist that I made myself. Now it doesn't matter which video you saved it to, with either it's watch later or save videos, it will all go to the same place. Now I'm gonna click out and I'm gonna go back to the home section here and I'm gonna go to playlists. Now on playlist, this is where you'll see all of your saved videos. Either it's in watch later or in saved videos or in liked videos. Now whenever you like a video, it will come up here. Whenever you save something on watch later, it will come up here, and any subsequent playlist that you made, like for example save videos like the one I made here, will also come up here.